Hey, don't look at over there. Not even there. These are not for you. More money is waiting for you here. Only thing you just need to do, click on this link. When you click on this link, you will find this button. Click on this button. When you click on this button, skip the ad, then get this exclusive deal and click on it. When you click on it, you will see another page. Read all the information that you need to know and choose your favorite package that you like according to your budget. All packages are lifetime. When you are done with purchasing, start blogging forever without spending any money. And the best part on here is the roadmap, where we can see that more features are coming, and the best part that we like most, AI image, which is coming mid-August 21. So you are getting all the tutorial from us if you purchase from our links, and those tutorial will be about how to write an article by using this app, to how to deal your client successfully and take the payment. Don't wait so long because this lifetime offer is limited. So have a great day. We will see you on the tutorial.